things that pisses you off at school. When you're doing a speech and then somebody shouts, they can't hear you. Bro, I already have a loud voice and then you're telling me you can't hear me. I'm thinking now. You only want me to restart, bro. You only want me to look like a fool there in front. I'm shouting. This is my loudest, bro. What do you want me to do? Get the mic. It's either time to go home or time for break, and then the teacher give you that move. The bell don't dismiss you. Now, what is the bell for? What does the bell do? What does the bell do, bro? Yeah, you just trying to push us now, man. When your friends is making funny faces while you're doing your speech. Bro, and you know in your head that if I look at this person, he's waiting for me to laugh. Because they want you to fail, bro. They want you to laugh in front of everybody. And the time when they make those faces, bro, you're gonna laugh and then you can't do anything. You just have to swallow your laugh in, bro. And yeah, when you're walking somewhere and then you realize that your bag is open, or somebody tells you your bag is open. Yo, bro, I'm telling you the amount of embarrassment you're gonna get from that. I'm telling you, it's game over, bro. GG's. When someone is walking towards you and then they like trying to greet, but they're actually trying to greet somebody that's behind you. Bro, I don't know. I don't care who you are. I don't care what you're trying to do. You're gonna greet me also. I'm gonna stand in the middle of the quad just thinking, yo, this person's supposed to greet me also. And everybody's looking at me like, yo, you're gonna greet me back? That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna greet me back. If you don't want to greet me also, after school, it's